Today, we will learn how to make this neon effect. Open Photoshop or Illustrator. Type your text. Go to File and save it as an image. Now open your browser and go to Adobe Firefly webpage. Type this prompt. Click on Generate. I want to try this one. Click on Edit and choose Use as Style Reference. Here we should upload the text image we created earlier. Choose Hyper-Realistic Effect. Click on Generate. Here are the results. If you want more text effect tutorials, let me know in comments below.